Hello, welcome back to the lecture on Basic Civil Engineering, Module 1 Introduction to Civil Engineering and Civil Engineering Material. In this lecture of Civil Engineering Material, we will be discussing road traffic, traffic control, traffic sign, intersections. We all are familiar with the traffic on roads. What is traffic? Traffic on road consists of road users include pedestrian, riding, or other animals, vehicle, streetcar, buses, other conveyors, either singly or together with using public ways for purpose of travel. Organization typically produces a better combination of traffic safety and efficiency. What is the results of road traffic? You'll be saying accidents. So for better road traffic, we need traffic controls. What is traffic controls? Involve directing vehicular and pedestrian traffic according to the construction zone, accident, or other road disruptions, thus ensuring the safety of emergency response team, construction workers, and general publics. Now I'll be talking about traffic controls types such as sign, signal, marking, island. Here, traffic sign is divided into three types: regulatory sign, informatory sign, warning sign. Here you can see the regulatory signs. It is a mandatory sign compulsory for all road users to follow. Informatory signs gives information about some of the public, private buildings, parking signs, petrol pumps, hospitals, first aid post, eating places, public telephones, etc. Warning signs gives warning to the users in the form of traffic light or in the form of signs. Here are the some of the warning sign shown. Now I'll be talking about traffic signals. Signals are basically divided into three types: traffic control signals, fixed time or manual operated signal. Second one is automatic. Automatic. Here in the second category it is divided into pedestrian sign and special traffic signals. We'll be discussing one by one. What is fixed time? Fixed time signal constantly cycling in sequence order and do not depend upon any type of detectors such as pedestrian, push button or vehicle loop. All roads and movements are served in a constant specific order. Manually operated signals. These manually operated signals are operated by traffic police watches the traffic police watches the traffic demand for a suitable point during the peak hours at the intersection and varies the time on this space and cycle accordingly. Automatic signals. This type control the signal through automatic moving vehicles. Octated signal timing is completely influenced by traffic volume and it is dictated through sensors. Here sensors plays a major role for automatic signals. It is manually used at the intersection of two or main artery streets. Pedestrian signals. When the vehicular traffic remains stops by the red or stop signal on the traffic signal of the road intersection, the signals give the right of way to pedestrian to cross the road during the work period. Special traffic signals. These signals are used for warn the traffic. When there is a red flashing signal, the driver of the vehicle must stop before entering the nearest crossing walkway at the intersection or at the stop line where marked. Flash of yellow signals are used to direct the vehicle driver to proceed with caution. Now we can talk about markings. Marking is a kind of device or a material that is used on the road surface in order to convey official information. They are commonly placed with road marking machines. Here are some of the markings type: longitudinal marking, intersectional marking, hazardous location marking, marking for parking, word message, object message. Here you can see some of the markings shown for lane, center lane, hazardous, edge of carriageway, etc. Island. Island is a solid or a painted object in the road that channel traffic. It can also be a narrow strip or island between roads that intersect at a acute angle. If the island uses road marking only without raised curb or other physical obstruction, it is a painted island or a ghost island. Now, last but not the least, we'll be talking about intersection. Intersection is a at grade junction where two or more roads or a street meet or a crossing. Intersection may be classified as by number of road segment, traffic control, or a lane design. Generally, two type of intersection we have come across: signalized and unsignalized intersection. Now I'll be talking about the type of intersection: gate separate intersection, at grade intersection, and rotary intersection. Here you can see the grade separate intersection at the as the name suggests, separate grade shown for intersection. Here you can see some of the types of grade separate intersection in the diamond shape: partially grooved, fully closed leaf, at grade intersection, which means grade is same for all intersection. There is a rotary intersection where the traffic has to crosses the circle in a circular form to move to the other intersection road. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Meet you in next lecture. Bye.